Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the volatility box indicator. Alright, so let us start by adding the volatility box indicator to the chart. Alright, so here we have volatility contraction box. So as you can see, that this indicator helps us to identify potential entry points, right? Not only does it give us potential entry points, it also gives us potential stop loss level and take profit levels, right? So you can see this is the entry point, this is stop loss, this is the first take profit level, second take profit level, and the third take profit level. So 3 take profit levels and 1 stop loss level. Okay, so this indicator can be used by beginners who are still trying to find their way around, right? So the indicator just helps identify potential trading opportunity, gives stop loss levels, gives take three distinct take profit levels, right? And then you would also notice that the indicator also shows some dots below the candlestick, below the price chart, right? So you will notice that these dots, arranged side by side, the appearance of the green dots show potential bullish momentum at the time, and then when the color changes to red, it shows potential bearish momentum at the time. Okay, so that is just for additional information, right? Let us just check the settings quickly. So you can see we have this on trading view. You can change the position of the ribbon. Okay, the ribbon, which is the aspect of the indicator that shows those dots. So if you want to take it above bar or below bar, or at the top of your chart or at the bottom, or absolute, right? So feel free to modify according to your taste. You also have, if you want to tick, if you want the labels on price scale to be checked or values and status line to be checked and all of that, right? Feel free to modify the settings according to your taste. You can see here breakout only, reversal, if you want alert for target and target, and then you can see all these things, right? Okay, even the colors and all, right? So this indicator could be a valuable addition to your trading toolkit if you're looking for a simple indicator that gives entry points and potential exit points. If you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.